Hello, welcome. This is Guillermo Arellano with the nomadprogrammer.com, and in this video I will be giving you a tutorial on how to split your Angular UI library up into separate JavaScript bundles using the Angular CLI. Now I will be making several assumptions about you, the viewer, who's viewing this content. I am going to assume that you already know the basics of working with Angular. Maybe you've had experience of doing that in the past, or you're currently upskilling yourself, leveling up on your use of Angular, the Angular JavaScript framework. So I am going to jump right into just setting up an Angular library and then splitting it out into separate modules. The second thing I'm going to assume is that you are a director, an architect, or a lead working in a large organization where you already have an Angular UI library or are thinking about developing a UI library, so that other project teams within your organization can leverage it so that they can have a consistent look and feel and overall branding experience for their web products. So this tutorial is going to be quite long, so I am going to add into the video description some timestamps, so where you can just jump around and skip around to the sections that are relevant to you. You won't hurt my feelings. I actually want you to do that. You don't have to watch the entire video. That's probably way too long. And please feel free to share it with friends, colleagues, and other developers who you think may find this useful. Okay, so let us begin.